Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a ringtone on your iPhone with GarageBand. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you have GarageBand installed on your iPhone. You can use a song stored locally on your device or an audio file saved in the Files app. Open GarageBand and select Audio Recorder. Tap the metronome icon to turn it off. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Section A, set it to automatic, and tap Done. Next, tap the Tracks button in the top left corner. Then tap the loop icon in the top right. Choose either Files or Music, depending on where your audio is stored, and import your song into the project. Once the audio is added, tap it to highlight the clip. Drag the beginning and end handles to trim the audio and select the exact section you want to use as your ringtone. You can also drag the entire clip to adjust where it starts in the timeline. When you're happy with the result, tap the down arrow in the top left corner and select My Songs to save the project. Press and hold the saved project. Tap Share, then choose Ringtone. Tap Continue if prompted, give your ringtone a name, and tap Export. After it's exported, open the Settings app, go to Sounds and Haptics, then Ringtone, and select your newly created ringtone from the list. So that's basically how you can make a ringtone on your iPhone with GarageBand. That's it for this video. Thanks.